This is how you go out and create thousands of new connections on LinkedIn for your business, potential client, podcast, to build up a successful network of successful people to elevate yourself because you're the average of your five best friends. So this is how you go out and increase the average. Because I can imagine you probably tried if you're watching this video, just going through LinkedIn, reaching out to new people, like going to posts. It takes a lot of time if you do it well and if you want to do it successfully, because you actually have to tailor a message to the person and not just click connect. This is a different way of doing it. What you do is you find a post of a Gary Vee, Tony Robbins, Mark Cuban caliber type of person, a big person on LinkedIn like Steven we have right here. Then you go into the post there, post it. It should be recent. Why you should do it on the home feed and under comments. You can see here already done a little bit. But basically what you do on the comments is you find potential person, for example, like Lou here, which has her own business, which means she could be a potential client for our business because we consult small businesses. We don't know too much about her yet, but she has her own business. She is the shot caller, so she's relevant. It could also be you can look for different things you would want on your podcast. Has she been had her own business like we feature on our podcast? Has she done that? Are she in the like Mike has is a rocket engineer? She worked with NASA. That might be a good fit. There's all of these different things, and then you write a message like the one I already prepared here for Claire. That I saw you comment on Gary Vee's post in this instance about taking one step back to take one step forward, or a massive step forward. I actually think what the post was about. In that, I also like to say your comment really spoke to me, and I learned that good people attract. Write your own message, which is why I won't put it in the comments. You can write it out, put your own spin on it, and then you can copy it. I only use your comment really spoke to me in the like a comment like Lou has, not like this so true comment up here, because there's not a lot for the comment to speak to me. So that's basically the method. You go out, find a post that you like, give the post a like, go through the comments, like the comments of people you want to connect with, send them this message. This really like puts down on the time to go from that just saying nothing outreach, clicking quickly. Of course, it takes longer than that, but it also takes a lot less time than if I was like I did previously, would go through LinkedIn to find relevant posts in different groups and just put like latest, and then I can find a bunch of different people a post and group because I would have to actually write out 90% of the message each time. Here, you have a message that is relevant. It feels like it's handwritten that you can just copy paste. So I'd love to hear your LinkedIn tips and also how have you found this method? How successful have you found it? Make sure to hit like and subscribe. See you on the podcast.